This ice cream is the most desired of the summer, very easy and delicious. For this recipe I will be cutting here 200 grams of strawberry. Guys, this recipe is delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. Now I'm going to add this strawberry in a pan. Put 50 ml of water, 70 grams of sugar, and also add the juice of half a lemon. And I'm going to stir it very well until it starts to boil and that water starts to decrease. And people are already commenting there for me, from which city you are watching us, and I will send a super special hug to each of you who comment. So you're commenting. And our personal syrup has to stay at this point here. It has to be really thick. I'll be turning off the heat and reserving it. Now in another container I'm going to add a liter of milk, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, and I'm going to beat it very well. If you want you can also make this part of the recipe in the blender, then it's your preference. I'm going to add now 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of sour cream, and today I'm going to send a special big hug to Ava from Texas. Thank you so much for always commenting. I thank you immensely. I will now add a spoon of neutral alloy and mix again. I'll be using this plastic bag here, right? I'll be opening it here, like this, and adding a little spoon to our strawberry syrup. Okay, now just spread it out. Put a funnel and add our cream like this. Now I'll be doing it like this, which is to be able to tie our ice cream. This way it's super easy to make, and look how beautiful it is, guys. It's a very beautiful ice cream. You can even make it and sell it. I'll take it to the freezer for about 8 hours. And our recipe is already ready, and it's ice cream super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it, because in addition to being delicious, it's very beautiful. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.